IT teams are dealing with more complexity than ever. More environments, more tools, and more manual work that slows teams down and makes operations harder to manage. HPE Morpheus software simplifies this complexity with a unified approach to managing complex infrastructure and operations. Let's see how HPE Morpheus software helps organizations manage virtualization, automate private clouds, and gain better control across hybrid clouds. In this demo, we'll review self-service provisioning, migration, governance and control, cloud cost and FinOps, and automation. Easily provision workloads into any hypervisor or cloud, and reduce operational overhead and improve agility without sacrificing security or compliance. Start by adding an instance from the main screen, and then choosing an instance type in the wizard. You can then select a group based on your access. When you select a plan, you will see cloud cost comparisons. Once complete, you can view a list of provisioned instances, including the instance you just set up. Adapt existing VMware workloads into new environments and reduce risk, eliminate manual effort, and save virtualization on costs. The dashboard gives a view of where your clouds live. Create migration plans using the wizard, and then select the VMs to migrate. Map the resources, including networking and storage details, and then enter your Linux system credentials. A dashboard will show the migration status of the VMs and also the source of the VMs. You can now run the migration plan. During the migration, you can view VMs running, the plan history, and active migration progress. The progress page then shows the VM migration is complete. The Instances page shows the migrated VMs and the full provisioning history lifecycle of a migrated VM. Enforce organizational governance that gives complete control and visibility while maintaining accountability. You can view a list of all tenants in the administration page. Get started creating a new tenant with the Create Tenant wizard. You can edit an existing tenant and change the cloud visibility settings. Details of a specific tenant can be viewed, including the list of users within that tenant. You can create a user within a tenant and assign a specific role, or edit a user to disable or lock specific capabilities. Finally, a master tenant can impersonate a user. Finance teams get full visibility and control over cloud spend, which maximizes ROI while maintaining operational agility. Create a new budget by navigating to the Budget tab and selecting Add. You can monitor specific budgets and compare the actual budget versus what was spent. To analyze your budget, go to the Analytics menu and select Budget Analysis. Filter to select a specific cloud, tenant, or group. Get cost details within the Invoices section, and select specific invoices for more granular data. View detailed history and line item specific costs. And you can even go deeper to see usage by cloud. Full application and infrastructure lifecycle automation empowers IT to scale consistent operations and focus on innovation. Start by navigating to the Automation section and adding a task. You can select Execute options, including retrying a task in the event of a failure. Customize tasks by adding script variables, which will take you to the Tasks page. To add a workflow, navigate to the Automation section. The Workflow wizard will walk you through different task options. This is HPE Morpheus software, a powerful solution available in 3 versions: VM Essentials, Advanced, and Enterprise, that transforms hybrid cloud complexity into unified control across any hypervisor, container platform, or cloud.